Whether you're writing blog content for a digital marketing agency, your own brand, or perhaps a client, it's a really time-consuming thing and you want to make sure that you're doing it well. As well as this, you want to be able to track the results to make sure that the time you're putting in is actually worth it. This is where Google Analytics comes in really handy. It gives you a chance to track progress of clicks, time on the page, bounce rates, as well as many other things. So here's a bit of advice on how to use it to track the analytics for your blog page.
You're watching Delivered Social, Surrey's most rated digital agency. Everything from websites, social media marketing and SEO campaigns. Whatever your digital marketing needs, Delivered Social can help.
So first of all, many businesses choose to use Google Analytics because it's available to plug in across many different sites and whatever you use to write your blog. As well as this, Google is a primary platform that you're going to be optimising content for and where your clients and potential clients are going to be searching for content. In other words, if your content isn't ranking or performing well on Google, then it may as well not exist. As we've mentioned, there are many different metrics that you can analyse using Google Analytics. Now, one of these is page views. So this is however many times a single client has viewed your blog, so even if they refresh the page, that will be seen as a new view. This is great to know because you know how many different people are coming to view your website, as well as how many times perhaps the same person is viewing that content. So similar to that, but with one key difference, is unique page views. So this is the amount of sessions that the page was viewed either a single time or a multiple time. Another great metric to have on hand is average page time. So this tells you exactly how long somebody is spending reading your content, and from that you can gauge whether they're reading the whole thing, whether they're skimming through it, or whether they're simply clicking in and clicking back off. Another great metric to keep an eye on is bounce rate. It's essentially telling you all the time someone has clicked onto your blog page without taking another action. So they've clicked on it, done whatever they needed to do, and simply left. This may mean that your calls to action aren't as good as they should be. So it's not directing them anywhere else on the site and it's not making them want to take another action. That might be an improvement that you can make after checking your Google Analytics. Understanding Google Analytics and how to use it for tracking blog post metrics is a great way to not only make improvements when writing your content, but understanding which ones are performing the best, which ones you perhaps could start posting out again on social media, posts get the most social shares, and also why they're doing so well. If there's certain things that you've done to other blog posts that aren't performing as well, you might be able to go back and change them, or take that improvement going forwards with your new content. This will hopefully improve the organic traffic, improve your SEO and your optimization across your whole website, as well as drawing in those all-important leads. If you'd like some more advice on how to use Google Analytics, or how to write the perfect blog, or you want us to do that for you, then get in touch with Delivered Social.